Today we will learn the HCF by finding HCF by prime factorization method. All of us know prime factorization of one number. Now that we will use that method in finding the HCF, highest common factor, between two or more than two numbers. Here we will take some examples, then the concept will be clear to you. Okay. First example is 72 and 108. Out of these we have to find the HCF. See how I am doing. There are two ways. In one way we will separately find the prime factors of 72 and then we will find the prime factors of 108. See, one way is that we will take 72 and find its prime factors. Okay. As we know, for prime factorization, we use the prime numbers only, and that too only in ascending order. From the smallest number we start. We will start with 2. 2 36 is 72, then 2 18 is 36, then 2 9 is 18, 3 3 is 9, 3 1 is 3. Therefore, prime factorization of 72 is what? 2 into 2, 1, 2, 3, 3 times 2 multiplied by 2 times 3. Okay. And now we will find the prime factorization of 108. See. 2 5s are 10, 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4, 2 7s are 14. Now it is not divisible by 2 as there is odd number at last, but it is 7 plus 2, 9. This means it is divisible by 3. So we will divide by 3. 3 9s are 27, then 3 3s are 9 and 3 1s are 3. So we have prime factorization of 108 as 2 times 2 and 3 times 3. Now see, this is the prime factorization of 72 and this is the prime factorization of 108. Now to find the HCF. HCF of 72 and 108. What we will do? We will find out the common numbers in between these two prime factorizations. Okay. The common number 2. Then one more 2, then see it has 1 2 but it has no third 2. So we will not choose this 2 1. Now 3 and again 1 3. 3 and 1 3. So both of these numbers have 2 2 and 2 3's in common and 1 2 and 1 3 is not common, so we will leave it. The common numbers we will write. Don't write it 2 times. Write it only 1 times. It is the common numbers are 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. These are the common numbers 2 times 2 and 2 times 3 in both the numbers, the common prime numbers. So this is our answer. Now find it out. How much it is? 2 2s are 4, 3 3s are 9, 9 4s are 36. So our HCF for 72 and 108 is 36. Understood now? First we have found this one, then we have found this one, listed them out, then found out the common numbers in between and written them over here, multiplied, and that is the HCF. Understood? Now we will do this by another method. When we don't have to find out two separately, we can find them together. Okay, see. Write down 72 and 108 together. and we will find the prime factors together. Prime factorization together. Here also the same rule applies. We will divide by prime numbers, and that too in ascending order. Okay, 2 first. 2 3s are 6, 2 6s are 12, 2 5s are 10, then 2 4s are 8, then 2 1s are 2, 2 8s are 16, 2 2s are 4, 2 7s are 14. Okay. Now see, the two numbers are, this number is divisible by 2, but this number is not divisible by 2. Yes, na? In this case, we will not divide by 2. Now see, the number 18 is divisible by 2, but 27 is not divisible by 2. Similarly, if in any other case also only one number divides a number and not the other, we will not take that number. Now we will take that prime number which can divide both 18 and 27. Such prime number is what? It is 3. 3 6 is 18 and 3 9 is 27. So now we will divide by 3. 3 6 is 18, 3 9 is 27. Again it will be divided by 3. 3 2 is 6, 3 3 is 9. Now see that the number 2 and 3 are not divisible by any one prime number. So we will leave our division, repeated division at this stage and take out these numbers. Yes. Now the HCF of 72 and 108 is equal to what? It is equal to all those numbers which have divided these two numbers commonly. So it is 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. It is how much? 4 9s are 36. Understood now? So this is one method and that one was another method. By these two methods we can find the prime factorization, the HCF of two numbers or more than two numbers by the prime factorization method. Understood? Now we have one more example. Okay. See, 144, do the prime factorization. 2 7 is 14, 2 2 is 4, 2 3 is 6, 2 6 is 12, 2 18s are 36, 2 9s are 18. Now 3. 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3. Then 192. 2 9s are 18, 2 6s are 12, 2 4s are 8, 2 8s are 16, 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. Then 2 6s are 12, then 2 3s are 6 and 3 1s are 3. Now 96. 2 4s are 8, 2 8s are 16, 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 6s are 12, 2 3s are 6, 3 1s are 3. Yes. So this is the prime factorization of both all the three numbers. Yes. Now we will find the HCF. For that, list out the prime factors first. 144 is 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 times 2, 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 2 times 3. And 192 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 times 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 1 times 3. And 96 is how much? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 times 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 times 2 and 1 times 3. This is the prime factorization of 144, 192 and 96. Now we will find out the common factors. The common factors in between these three numbers are 2, 2, 2, then again 2, 2, 2, then again 2, 2, 2, then again 2, 2, 2, then see it has 2, 3 and no, one more 2 is not over there. So we will not select 2 then. After that 3 is there. 3 is here also and here also. After that no prime number is common. Yes, na? So we have HCF. How much? 1, 2, 3, 4 times 2. 1, 2, 3, 4 times 2 and 1 time 3. That is how much? 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 3s are 48. Understood? So the HCF of all the three numbers is 48. Now you can do all this prime factorization method finding HCF by this short process also. This is repeated division method. By this repeated division method we can also find out the prime factorization of two numbers. Okay, and find the HCF of two numbers by prime factorization method. This is also one method, this is also one method. Okay, you better do the process you like. Okay, this number we will do by this method also. See how we do it. It is actually repeated division method. Prime factorization method is this one. Okay, prime factorization method, by this method you have to do. But if it is asked that do by repeated division method, then you can do by this method also. Okay. See how. 144, 192, 96. You can do 2 7s are 14, 2 2s are 4, 2 9s are 18, 2 6s are 12, 2 4s are 8, 2 8s are 16. Then 2 3s are 6, 2 6s are 12, 2 4s are 8, 2 8s are 16, 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8, 2 1s are 8, 2 8s are 16, 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, then 2 9s are 18, 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 2 2s are 4, 2 6s are 12. Now 3 3s are is 9, 3 4s are 12, 3 2s are 6. So we have the, at this stage no other prime number is dividing all the three numbers. So we will have the HCF these all numbers. HCF is equal to what? 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. This is equal to 2 2s are 4, 4 4s are 16, 16 3s are 48. Understood? In this way we can do the HCF by repeated division method and to find the prime factorization. By the prime factorization method using repeated division method. Okay. This is prime factorization using repeated division method, and we can find the HCF in this way also. And simple prime factorization method is this one. Do the prime factorization separately of the three numbers, list the factors, and at last find the common factors and then multiply them to find your HCF. Understood?